Hey y'all, welcome back.
Hey.
We are on our way to buy a Monigote, because I say that wrong a lot, an effigy for New Year's, because that's a tradition here to burn a Monigote for New Year's. And when I come back, I'll explain the significance of that tradition and where it came from.
Llévame que me quiero ir de aquí. Mucho frío en Cuenca.
This year, the city of Cuenca listed the 12 locations where you could legally buy your Monigotes and fireworks. We decided not to get any fireworks. I don't need any accidents this year. I've already had one.
Oye, ¿sabes meterle para que explote?
Ah, no.
¡Feliz año!
He has his.
Got my Monigote that I'm burning. The dude asked if I wanted to get some fireworks to blow it up. I said no, because we're going to be doing this at our house. So I don't want to endanger anyone or myself. I'm not blowing my hand off out here. But yeah. So what is the Monigote tradition in Ecuador? Allow me to explain. In Ecuador, the Monigote, also known as the Año Viejo, or Old Year, is the central figure of New Year's Eve. More than just a decoration, it is a symbolic vessel for the misfortunes, mistakes, and bad energy of the past year. The primary purpose of the Monigote is purification. By burning the effigy at midnight, people of Ecuador believe they are literally incinerating the negative aspects of the previous 360 plus days to start the new year with a clean slate. Monigotes often take the form of unpopular politicians, representing collective punishment of their failed policies. You will also see heroes, villains, cartoon characters, and much more. You also see two main types of Monigotes depending on the region. The traditional ragdoll is usually homemade. These are made from old clothes stuffed with sawdust or newspaper and topped with a simple cardboard mask. Before the burning, many families will read what is essentially a will written by the old year. It's a satirical rhyming poem sometimes that leaves behind humorous legacies to family members. The other types of Monigotes are the ones made of what is essentially paper mache, and these come in all shapes and sizes. These are the ones that you'll see around on top of people's cars, in front of their houses. There'll be different comic book characters. For whatever reason, Dragon Ball Z is a really popular show here, but you'll see some of everything with these paper mache Monigotes. When we lived on the coast, we didn't really see the straw Monigotes that much, but here in Cuenca you can find both pretty easily. This tradition is thought to have originated in Guayaquil in 1895 during a yellow fever epidemic. The residents burned the clothes of the deceased in bundles of straw to sanitize the city and ward off the plague of the past year. Over time, it evolved from a sanitary measure into the artistic and cultural festival that it is today. There's actually a lot more to know about this tradition, but I wanted to keep it short. First of all, we'd like to say Happy New Year. You may be able to hear some of the fireworks going off right now.
And music.
We have a lot of things planned for the new year, so fingers crossed. We hope that everything goes well. We hope you enjoyed this video. And we're going to have a little video of us burning our Monigote, a very special Monigote that will get incinerated here very shortly.
if it doesn't,
it just started
sprinkling.
It has been dry all day and it just started sprinkling. So anyway, we're going to get right to it.
Yeah, and again, thank you all for watching. Thank you for joining us this year, the 2025, and going into 2026.
It's been a great year. So thanks again and enjoy.